Chief Executive Officer of the Guyana Power and Light Incorporated, Albert Gordon, met with the Region 2 administration to listen to concerns and discuss the way forward as the Guyana Power and Light Incorporated ramps up efforts to address electricity issues in Region 2. Renetta Lafleur brings us that report.
Meeting with Regional Vice Chairman Juliet Kunja and Councillor at the Regional Democratic Council's office in Regina, GPL's CEO explained that successfully delivering a stable power supply to its customers is paramount.
Success is in our vision statement, and it's an acronym. And the first, I won't go through all of them, but the first letter is for service quality. And the second one is for uptime of our systems. Others being, I'll just say, coverage, meaning access, compliance with applicable regulations, efficiency, safety, security, and sustainability.
Discussions focused on the type of units being used, the effectiveness of renting units as opposed to owning, and compensation for losses during recent power outages, among others. Gordon responded to the questions and assured that Regina will see a continued improvement in the service.
We're looking at the future developments. We want to understand the plans. We want to be part of those plans. We want to be ahead of those plans in terms of installing new capacity. And we also want to facilitate even developments that have not been thought up as yet, because that is in our mutual interest. Our mandate is to support the development of the country. That's my mission, by providing affordable and reliable energy services.
Meanwhile, Essequibo residents are being urged to uplift claim forms at GPL's office for any damage suffered during the recent power outages. Renetta Lafleur for InfoHub.